So we have a Raken box. And this is also Raken, but Raken, whatever. Already opened it. I'm gonna get these all over the place. Actually, no. That's it. Squid box. That's the Kraken we got. bladehq did take a while to send this out, honestly. It was kind of annoying. It was like 3 days until it shipped, and I got here in like 2 days. Squid. Everyone's seen this, you know? Comes with all their knives except for the cheaper ones. Wow. This is a V2.5. Okay. Try that again. It looks nice. That black on black looks so sick. It sounds nice too. Here's what my regular V2 sounds like. It needs lube though. It's pretty good though.